Takers is me, Tech Rizal, where I provide you tech content as well as this kind of the technology related as well as tech updates video, just like the funny way consider coming in this video. We are going to tell you how to make a trending video on YouTube. Also, how can you put your videos on the trending section of YouTube? As you already know, this is not a you have to choose a trending topic. Most of the YouTubers say that this is the famous criticism by YouTubers. Anyway, so yes, you have to choose something trending topic to make your trending video, but that's not 100% true. So I'm going to tell you some factors where you should apply in your video, and your video will be in trending just like this. So let's get started on the content. So if you want to make a video, most of the YouTuber dream is that our video will get in the trending. Even my dream is my one video will get in trending, but my videos only get in recommended section of YouTube. Also, if you want to make a trending video, you'll need to come your video in recommended section. When your video will come in recommended section, most viewers will watch in less time. Okay, in less time, if your video get on recommended section, your video automatically will be getting trending, because most of the people watch recommended videos or the videos that are in the home page of YouTube. Well, I'm going to say that this video is not in scripting. I'm providing my knowledge. I read most of the article from the internet here. So yeah, this video not expected. Usually kind of I watch this video so bad. Please don't say this, because this is my hard work. Okay, if you are doing hard work on YouTube, you should get a video trending yourself. So want to get video trending, I want to say one factor only. Yes, this one factor, if you follow this, your video will slowly getting trending. So the factor is get more views in less time. Yes, if your video get more views in less time, also more shares in less time, more likes in less time, more like ratio in less time, your video will slowly get in trending. First, it will get into recommended section. First, I want to say that which topic of video will be at the higher chances of getting trending. Those first is comedy, second is news, and the third tech. Comedy, tech, and that news topic. Most of the video that gets in trending is that, or sports also. Okay, also sports get a video in trending, but you should have to choose a topic. You can take videos, some get in trending. Even technical Guruji from Indian YouTuber, also his video are getting in trending now. And yes, if you want to get video in trending, I have to say that you want to make a better quality content. Even you are seeing in the YouTube trending section, most of the YouTubers or most of the videos are coming in trending, even that video quality is bad. So yes, they depend on a factor called more views in less time. Yes, if you get more views in less time, I'm not saying to you that you should copy or clickbait a video, but you have to produce your own content, and slowly your videos will get in trending section. Yes, your videos slowly get in trending section, not very faster. Your video go slow and then go fast. You will slowly win the race. So yes, more musical less time. Learn this formula and apply this on your YouTube videos. Your video will slowly get in trending. So this is also to trending topics, so that your viewers will watch your video. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.